Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jay, and today I want to talk about the live server extension for Visual Studio Code. If you are someone who is developing web applications or web pages using Visual Studio Code, this extension can be pretty useful to you. As you all know whenever we are editing an HTML page or a JavaScript file or a CSS file, we always have to save that file and then go back to our browser and hit refresh. For example, if I want to remove one of the divs here, I need to go back to the browser and hit refresh to see that change. In order to prevent that, there is an extension called Live Server. If you search for Live Server, there are plenty of extensions that you see on Visual Studio Code, but make sure that you click on the first one by Ritwik Day and install it. Once you install it, you can close that tab and right click on the index.html file, and now you'll be seeing an open with live server option. So I'm going to click on that. So you can see that a new tab has been opened, and if you can see, it is opened on a server, so on port 5500, and whereas the old tab is directly opened from the browser using the file protocol. So I'm going to close this old tab and then have this new tab reflect my changes. So let's test it out. I'll go ahead and remove the third div, and you can see that it has disappeared. Also, let's also try to play around with the CSS. Maybe I'll just turn this into blue, and it does work for CSS as well. Let me try to add some JavaScript and do a console log. Live server. Okay, and then let's open the inspect tab and look for this. So we can see that the latest change is reflecting, and you can see that it has refreshed on every change. So whenever I hit save, it refreshes. Yeah, so this is about live server extension. I hope you've learned something, and you can take leverage of this extension to prevent manual browser reloads. I'll see you in another tutorial. Thanks for watching.